Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to fix Gmail not receiving verification code in 2023. So for that, let us first check. If you scroll down from the right corner, you'll be seeing here Do Not Disturb is on. First of all, never let that be on. Switch it off. What it will do is if you get any code also, then also it will be not showing you. That's the first step. If it solves your issue, then it's good. If it doesn't, then let's check out the second step. For that, you have to go to your settings, search for message, click on it, and make sure that iMessage toggle is on. This is the main reason why you are not getting the verification code in your device. It will be taking a few seconds and it will be connecting with your Gmail account, and that's it. See, send and receive, and it will be on my email ID. When it will be showing your email ID, that means it is been officially that the problem is now solved. So make sure that you always keep that iMessage toggle on. So if you like this informative video, so leave a like, comment, share and subscribe for more. I'll be seeing you on my next video. Till then, peace out.